wash away my sorrow. Rain, rain, wash away my pain. I am feeling so emotional. The rain is falling outside. Oh, how the sounds it hitting the roof.
Loneliness, rain, rain with my tears I cry. My life is so depressing, but the rain brings me alive. Thinking about all the hurt I feel inside. Rain, rain, wash away my tears.
Watching the drops fall, I feel the drops of me silently falling in my mind. Lightning flashes, lighting up my window. My reflection captures me silently still. Oh, rain, fall down. My darkness is real. Oh, rain, wash my soul clean for another tomorrow. It's just another sorrow. Oh, rain, cool down my brain. Wash away your grudges, sentiments and pain.
Oh, rain, drench me fully to gain something anew, fresh and beautiful.
Oh, rain, call your cold breeze your friend. Wrap me in your heavy shower. Scatter my pain into pieces. Help me to grab happiness.
Oh, rain, fall down. My darkness is real. Oh, rain, rain, wash my soul clean.
Oh, rain, come and take me into your vibes. My veins are numb and slow. My leaves are withered, run into my body and pull